7 health benefits of avocado oil. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 health benefits of avocado oil. So if you're ready, let's go. Most of us know avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats, which is the one reason avocado toast was the last decade's top food trends. Despite avocado's popularity, avocado oil still isn't an everyday staple in most kitchens, but I think this will change in due time. Avocado oil is packed full of the same antioxidants and healthy fats that make avocados a health food superstar. And here are 7 health benefits of avocado oil that you can take advantage of starting today. Number 1, helps you to absorb other nutrients. Did you know that some vegetables contain an antioxidant called carotenoids that the body cannot absorb without a supplementary fat source? This is where avocado oil comes into play. Studies have shown that avocado oil supports the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K. One study even found that this increased absorption was significant when avocado oil was added to a salad of carrots, romaine lettuce, and spinach. Number 2, may reduce pain and stiffness from osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common form of arthritis associated with the breakdown of joint cartilage. Multiple studies have found that extracts from both avocado and soybean oil may support the reduction of osteoarthritis, related pain, and stiffness by inhibiting a number of molecules linked to joint cartilage discomfort. Number 3, naturally antioxidant rich. Free radicals, often called toxins, are compounds in our bodies that damage cells over time. When there aren't enough antioxidants in our body to balance these toxins out, it may lead to oxidative stress, which is linked to an increased risk of multiple cardiovascular diseases and increased signs of aging. However, by increasing your intake of antioxidant-rich foods such as avocados and avocado oil, you can help your body fight these free radicals and reduce their risk. Number 4, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Although many people try to avoid fat, some fats are good for you and support ongoing health. For example, avocado oil is made up of 70% oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid, which will help reduce the risk of heart disease and dementia in later life. And that's not all. One study found that the variety of monounsaturated fatty acids found in avocado oil, such as oleic acid and linoleic acid, may also promote quicker wound healing, which is perfect for people with blemish-prone skin. Number 5, supports good eye health. Avocado oil is a natural source of lutein, an antioxidant that is needed to support the human eye. As you age, getting enough lutein in your diet is vital as it reduces the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, both of which become more common during later life. Number 6, may help to reduce cholesterol. One study tried to answer the age-old question, is avocado oil better for you than olive oil? And they found that yes, it potentially is. In a comparison of avocado oil and olive oil, results showed that avocado oil was more effective in reducing bad cholesterol while not affecting good cholesterol. Even so, olive oil still has its own health benefits, so don't throw it out just yet. And number 7, avocado oil is so easy to use. Sometimes the biggest benefit is how easy it is to add something into your routine, whether that be the dishes, your cooking, or the ways you're supporting your skin's health and long-lasting glow. We all know that the easier something is to use, the more likely you are to use it, and long enough to see the long-term health benefits. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 health benefits of avocado oil. And if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment and head on over to our blog and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you like today's video, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.